Hello everyone, I am Sonia Sharma, Faculty Commerce at the Venkateshwar School, Gurgaon. Our today's topic is elasticity of demand and its various degrees. Very first, let me tell you about the meaning of elasticity of demand. What elasticity of demand explains? Actually, it explains the relationship between change in price and change in quantity demanded. Means what the responsive change will be there in quantity demanded with a particular change in price of a commodity. Basically, this is related with percentage change. The formula here could be percentage change in quantity demanded, that will be again divided by the percentage change in prices. You can see in the following diagram. This picture is showing you a definition, formula and the curve of elasticity. PED here means price elasticity of demand. And the formula is percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percent change in price. The more flatter curve is showing high elasticity and less flatter curve is showing less elasticity. I hope that the meaning of elasticity of demand and its formula is now very clear to you. Let me start with the degrees of elasticity now. There are basically 5 degrees of elasticity and I'll be explaining these one by one. You can see these curves. Very first here is perfectly elastic demand. You can see the curve, it is flatter and parallel to x-axis where quantity is showing. It means that at a particular price the quantity could be any. We can buy any number or quantity. We say that demand is perfectly elastic even when there is 1% change in price that would result in infinite change in quantity demanded. Second here is perfectly inelastic demand. It means that there will be no change in demand with a particular change in prices. Either there is increase or there is decrease in price, the demand will remain same. It is shown here in the curve that it is a parallel line to y-axis. Third degree of elasticity is unitary elastic. Here it means that there will be equal change in quantity with a particular change in price. Means whatever the change is there in price and demand, that will be equal, and it is known as rectangular hyperbola. Fourth here is relatively elastic demand. It is showing that the change in demand is greater than change in price, and this curve is more flatter. You can see that it is far from the origin. It means that elasticity is greater than 1. Fifth and last here is relatively inelastic demand. It is showing here that the change in demand is very little in comparison to change in price. This you can denote with the symbol less than 1 elasticity. Now I hope that the concept of elasticities of demand is very clear to you students. For today, that's it from my side. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.